Okay, so I'm going to install this bottle holder on this bike. So it came with this bottle holder, one clamp, and this is I think the mirror clamp, but we will not need this. We only need this clamp and the bottle holder. So I think this is the correct position to hold the bottle. Okay, so let's see how it will fit. So you can see here we have this clamp, Allen key. One more thing we need is a rubber wrap for badminton. So I'm using this to basically wrap it like this so that it will not scratch it, and it will have some buffer in between so that it will not vibrate and the vibration will not travel to this frame. I think this will go like this, but it has to be vertical. So let's see if there is an option to rotate it. Yeah, I think this is an key which can be loosened. Okay, this was very easy. Basically tighten it, and now it will fit like this, and then bottle holder will come like this. Okay, so let's quickly fix it. For that we will simply open this two screws here. Okay, no need to fully unscrew this bolt, you can simply manage it like this. So let's wrap couple of turns of this badminton handle wrap. This much would be sufficient. Quickly cut it. This is a very important step so that it will not leave any mark on this crash guard. So this will also make it little tight, right? And simply screw the bolt back in. That's all. So this is how you install it. This is very simple. So let me quickly tighten the bolts. I will not tighten it completely. We will screw the stand, and then we'll see. We can later turn it here and there. We can also adjust the angle. So let's quickly unscrew these bolts. Okay, so this screw need to be tightened very well before we can screw the clamp. Otherwise we will not have the access to tighten this screw. So I think this is the only position where it fits quite nicely. So let's tighten it. Yeah, this is enough. Just place it for a bit, do not tighten it completely, and adjust the clamp so that other screw is visible and you can later tighten it. Okay, so let's fix the position. I think it should go a little down. Yeah. Okay. Tight it firmly. Now we will check the position. Let me loosen it quickly and test with the bottle. So I have this bottle. It's not going. Okay, so this is the position. I think this will work fine. Now we can remove the bottle and tighten these other screws. The only trick is to tighten both the bolts evenly. So this is little bit difficult, but we can manage it. Okay, so I was not able to tighten this one especially with the Allen key because this was coming in between. So I bought the big gun, but this is also I'm not able to fit it through. So what I will do, I will simply remove this clamp for now because we already have fixed the place. Okay, and then later we can tighten it. So if you want to work on your bike, you should have this socket wrench set. This is very handy. Okay, so now we will simply tighten the clamp nut. See how easy it is with this big gun. I'm not saying it's not doable with the given Allen key, but this makes the job very easy. So tighten it fully because this will have lots of vibration and you will lose your bottle. Most we can do. This is not going anywhere. Let me tighten the center one as well. Okay, now this is not going anywhere. Now simply we will fix the clamp, or you can say the bottle holder, just like that. And take this second bolt, tighten it in place. And done. Now we will test with the bottle. So this is how it look. You can see. So this is how it looks. And this is how you install a bottle holder on Himalayan 450.